St. John Peter Matriculation School. Think beyond.
We maintain our school campus in the most safest and well-disciplined manner.
Our school is an ISO certified educational institution and also certified by the courageous Fit India.
We prefer quality education through our significant academic curriculum with individual parenting care attributes such as Class Club International Syllabus, AMIR and RRR sessions and management hours. We let our students to pursue themselves as morally, academically and innovatively successful through our Tirukural Research Hours, club activities, ICOT badges and honors and national level scouts and guide programs.
The amplest campus for the better schooling experience with all infrastructural amenities such as sports facilities, laboratory facilities, IT labs, smart classrooms and other activity lab facilities, and high efficient extracurricular activities such as yoga, karate, silambam and abacus.
Be wise by making the right choice of your children's educational curriculum.
St. John Peter Matriculation School, the high caliber educational institute, lead in shaping the future generation since 1991.